Hey everyone, welcome to my next live from the workshop, and in this one I'm going to be doing another scratch build. And for this I'm actually going to be using these. I've already cut these out, it took me a while so I had to do them before I started the video. But I'm going to be making the TARDIS. And not this TARDIS, although this is the sort of same size it's going to be. I'm actually going to make the TARDIS when it first left Gallifrey. So this is going to be the cylinder one, as seen in the episode The Name of the Doctor. When you see him at the start with Susan, the first Doctor getting in the TARDIS, it's a big spherical thing with a slidey door. And that's what I'm going to make. So, let's do this. Right, bit of talking in the middle of my video, and the reason I'm showing you this is because this is a large Doctor Who mug that I've had for a while, and it's the same size that I used to make those. What I'm going to do is I have this long bit of card which is eventually going to become the outside of it, but I want it to be spherical, but I don't want it to get too bent. So what I'm going to try and do is, this might take a minute, but I'm going to see if I can just get it in the mug so it will eventually, hopefully, hold its sphericalness. So let's see how well this works. And there is my finished original TARDIS. Now, I'm going to be honest, I don't think it's the best thing I've ever done. It's very rough around the edges, and it's not turned out as well as I'd hoped, but I've decided that this is the Mark 1, and I have already started drawing up plans for the Mark 2. The Mark 2 will actually be just a complete cylinder with the door cut out. The problem I had here was having to join up, so I didn't have anything cylindrical like this, so I've written down a couple of ideas and things that I'm going to look for and see what I can make up. And see what I can get. So the entire body is just a cylinder with this bit cut out. Again, these bits, top and bottom, they're really easy to do. I can make them out of card again, that's not a problem. It's just the actual body part of it. And the joining up around the edges, again, it's a bit rougher than I wanted it to be, so I can, you know, I'll be able to put a lot more work into it by just folding the edges in and doing it that way. But just as a piece, it's quite nice. It's come out alright. I decided to give it a bit of weathering because I thought, you know, that the TARDIS is supposedly a museum piece when the Doctor first borrows it anyway. So I thought I'll give it a bit of a used look. So yeah, that's my Mark 1 of my original TARDIS. The Mark 2 will be coming soon. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.